Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change this transition effect on the home screen. So in this home screen you can see this is the roll type transition effect you can see, right? So let me show you how to change this one. For this, tap and hold on the blank area of the home screen. So here you can see some options. Here you can see the option transitions. Tap on this one. So here you can see some transition effect you can see here. So here I am going to select the option cube. You can see flip, card, tilt. These are the transition effect are in this device. You can see tilt, card, flip, cube, roll. So here I am going to select the option flip. Tap on apply. Now you can see flip transition effect you can see here. So simply in this way you can change the transition effect in this device. It's very nice, right? So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.